Friends, this video is going to be on Ciproxin. Ciproxin 500 milligram has ciprofloxacin 500 milligrams in it, and the box has 10 tablets in it. It's made by Bayer Pharmaceutics, and the price for one box is 451 rupees. Ciprofloxacin is used to treat or prevent certain infections caused by bacteria such as pneumonia, gonorrhea, typhoid fever, infectious diarrhea, and infections of the skin, bone, joint, abdomen, and prostate. Ciprofloxacin is used to treat or prevent plague, a serious infection that may spread on purpose or as part of a attack and inhalation anthrax. And ciprofloxacin may also be used to treat bronchitis, sinus infections, or urinary tract infections, but should not be used for bronchitis and sinus infections or certain types of urinary tract infections if there are other treatment options. Ciprofloxacin are used to treat kidney and urinary tract infections. However, some types of urinary tract infection should be treated with ciprofloxacin extended release tablets if no other treatment options are available. Ciprofloxacin is in a class of antibiotics called fluoroquinolones. It works by killing bacteria that causes infections. Antibiotics such as ciprofloxacin will not work for colds, flu, or other viral infections. Using antibiotics when they are not needed increases your risk of getting an infection later that resists antibiotic treatment. It comes as a tablet and a suspension. Swallow the tablets whole. Do not split, crush, or chew them. Do not drink or eat a lot of caffeine containing products such as coffee, tea, energy drinks, cola, or chocolate. Ciprofloxacin may increase nervousness, sleeplessness, heart pounding, and anxiety caused by caffeine. Make sure you drink plenty of water or other fluids every day while you are taking ciprofloxacin. If you miss a dose of ciprofloxacin tablets or suspension by less than 6 hours, take the missed dose as soon as you remember it, and then take the next dose at the scheduled time. However, if you miss a dose of ciprofloxacin by more than 6 hours, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Some side effects of ciprofloxacin may include nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, heartburn, diarrhea, vaginal itching or discharge, pale skin, unusual tiredness, sleepiness, etc. This medication is not safe to be used during pregnancy and during breastfeeding. If you are a breastfeeding mother or if you are pregnant, please consult your doctor before using this medication. The dosage depends on the severity of the infection and the condition of the patient being treated. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.